Beauty that caught Blue Moon's eyes. Big chain. Okay, let's see how to make a bow. Very easy. We fold it here. Wrap it like this way. Here. Then this one. Here. It's make like a 8. Okay. Then use this long wire. Make a knot. Finish. Got it. Then if you don't want the bottom be so long, glue 2 beads at the bottom. Then here. So finish a bow. Glue 2 beads at the end with the glass pearl. Let me check. The hole is too small, this glass pearl. I need to use crystal beads. $1.5 if you want to buy, it's $1.5 one piece. Super glue. Okay. Let it dry. Here. So got the way, dear, how to make a bow. It's very easy making. You can hang this one on the earring. Here. Okay. Yes, helping. Okay. Helping or make something red beads would almost like a cherry. Yes. Yes. So this is very easy making. Make a infinity wrapper like the 8 wrapper. Then use the long piece, wrap it so it after wrapper the another wire come to the bottom. So very easy making. This one here. And if you want it to be strong at the loop hammer, yeah. I hammer it here, so this part will be strong. Here. Or another way, if you are not use glue, you can hammer the top and let the beads tight here. Then it's not going to drop away. Now by this here. Very cute piece. Charm. Okay, here, very easy making. Okay, so today we finished our live streaming.